Yo everyone, this is Kirk Roldan from Kirk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to audit our website for this business because as you can see here, like we sent an outreach to our prospects in local businesses and saying, hey there's, I recorded a quick video for your business, a few opportunities that could help you generate more quote requests and book movers in Chicago. Should I send it to this email? And good news, he responded, hi Kirk, yes, please send it over. That's why I'm going to do an audit for his business and see what are those opportunities, and I will send it to him. Hopefully I can close this lead. Now, without further ado, let's start. So this is also what you're going to do if you audit a website. It's either maps or website. As you can see here, this is his business. We got his website, and also he got multiple locations here. And then I added his... By the way, this is optional. I use multiple tools to check their website status as well as their GBP and also their rankings. So I use multiple tools. For this demonstration, I use Ahrefs and Screaming Frog. So let's start here with Ahrefs. So as you can see here, like this is all their issues. You can see here, page has links to broken pages. So they have 11 pages with broken links. See that one? So my recommendation here is to redirect or delete this page if they are not useful. They have 22 broken links. They need to fix that. They have 404 pages, missing alt text, meta description is too short. They have 28 page. Has links to redirect. H1 tag is missing. Titles too short, etc. H1 tags missing or empty. Slow page, missing alt text. 330. Oh my god, this is a lot. First and foremost, I'm going to fix that. Later on, I'm also going to the website itself and confirm those issues that we found. All right. Then another thing here, as you can see here, this is coming from Screaming Frog. So I saw their address URL. A lot of these URLs are not properly optimized. Then page titles. So they want to rank for moving companies in countryside. They have title, but it's not optimized properly. Some of them, they have missing description. It's not a good description. A lot of these are not good and not properly optimized with SEO. So fix these titles. I also see a lot of duplicate descriptions here, multiple duplicates. So it's not good and it's not helpful. Headline 1, a lot are empty and it's not optimized with the right keyword. Residential and commercial roofing is not good. Okay. Content, some are teen content, so improve those teen content. Images not optimized properly with SEO. We can see a lot of issues, right? And let's go to the website itself. So upon seeing here in the website, I'm also going to have a suggestion with their website because for me, this is not a proper way to structure a website. Want more leads from Google? Go to kirkroldanseo.com. I'll find what's holding you back and develop a custom strategy for free. Okay, let's do it. Check it one by one. So let's check the reviews. They have 120 reviews. Where are they? They claim 120. However, they have 120. Okay, earlier it's not loading. So that's why I said that. Are they real? Coming from Google. So they have 85 reviews from Google. How they grab this? Because the reason I said that, because when we go to their Google, they only have 3 reviews, 0 review, and also the other one is 81. So a total of, so it's still not 120. But if this review coming from different social media, also in Yelp, or if this is included, then that is true. Because they also have reviews coming from different platforms. But in Google only, no, it's not. Now, for their homepage, a menu, let's start in the menu. So serving Chicago since 1985. No one care if you're serving since 1985. We can add this in the about us or other part of the website. Not here. Like their heading is pretty big. See, that one is pretty wide. And then request free quote. So they already have a phone number. There's no need to add this request a free quote. Then it's link, which is good. Okay. Then request for a free quote. They redirected to request a free quote. So choose one of them. It's either request for a free quote or this phone number. It's already enough. And here, okay, commercial moving. Let's double check. See, so we notice that it's not optimized. Okay, so it's confirmed because here we can really see it's not optimized properly. So suggestion for the services, optimize each of this because they are your services. Each of this optimized properly. And then about reviews, blog, let's check that. They have FAQ, they have video. Now let's move forward to the other one. Reviews. It loads slow. So You need to fix this. And then blog is pretty old. Like last blog was on May 28th and their content is not optimized properly. So that's also my suggestion to optimize each of the blog. And then, oh, where's the about? I supposed to see the about. All right, so I'm here. So about us, meaning here you need to show, aside from explaining or telling that you started 1985 and also have these numbers here, you can also add picture of you, the company, or those staff. You can add that. You can also link your reviews. Some of the reviews you can add here, or if you have a case study, it's good. To tell you honestly, no one will click this video and watch this one. Okay, I suggest you need to add them here, or a video which will play right away, not here, because no one will go here and then click that or watch the video. Specialties, you have a section for specialties. Don't add them here. It's supposed to showcase you, but you already have a section for this, so you don't need to repeat this one again. Okay, you have services as well here above. Now let's go services pages. Services pages supposed to have an internal link. Okay, they have internal link from contact us. All right, they have an internal link, which is okay, but I don't like how they structure their services pages. Like here, like for example here, their color combination is odd to me, because when I go to the homepage, see that one? See, I cannot really read everything because of the background image that they use particularly and how they structure it. They already have a request free quote here, then they need to remove this one because it's redundant. And then they have reviews again here, and then how they set up their text is not good. Like it's all, so you need to have a few design here. We can go back to the homepage for the footer. Okay, but we saw this issue. So footer serving area, it's not properly right to add them here. You can have a service area pages. Your footer right now is really huge, and then there's an empty space here. You can have a section for service area title, and then it's clickable, or you need to add few of them, like 4, and then click. There's a link here which they can see, go to your service area and see everything. And then let's go back to the home page. Okay, so as you can see here, I really cannot read the text because the background pops up together, and then you already have this one. So you have text smart to 708. There's a lot of phone number here, right? So you need to remove this one because you already have a phone number here somewhere. And then text smart, what's the difference? To begin receiving specialty. Okay, all right, I got that. Okay, and effortless mover. Okay, so you need to showcase how are you solving your client's problem, because here you are promoting your business. So a website supposed to be solving those pain points that your competitors have. Now you can have problem A, problem B, C, D. So people, when they see here, this is for me. But here you are promoting your business. So it's not that. That's why I mentioned to you in the about us, yes, you can promote there. In the service area, yes, you can promote there, right? But here in the homepage, you are showing how you are solving this problem. All right, why choose deals movers? Again, you're promoting your business here. We can rephrase this, and this part right here, maybe we can remove this. It's not that good. It's not good. Like your website's really wide, and then there's an empty space here. Okay, you have services pages, which is good. Like when we click this one, I supposed to redirect to commercial moving services, but it's not optimized. The branding is not good. You can create a page where you're showcasing your portfolio. Okay, not just dump them here, all these images here. If you can add picture from these people who's adding a review, that's better. Or this background as well, make them real that these people are adding reviews. But if it's sync coming from Google, then you can't do that unless if they have images from their reviews. All right, so but you have internal links, I believe you have. Okay, still need to optimize that one. And then, oh, what's this? So you have services here, and then you have another here. So for me, the website is pretty big, like this corner right here. So it's really wide. Like redesign the website, and you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add a really nice icon that is fit for this service. Moving day. This one, change this image. Okay, you have added this one again. Okay, this image is coming from real projects, but you don't need to add a blog. This is useless. No, you don't need to add a blog here. It's useless. You're supposed to add your team picture. Where's your team picture? You have testimonial. You should also add your team picture here. Oh, what is FAQ? So this FAQ, where's the text here, right? So it's empty. So I suggest to redesign this website. What's this? Okay, it's a blog. So you don't really need that there. Frequently asked question, you can add it in the center. And I believe if I'm going to redesign this, there's no need to make them full width, like because there's a lot of spaces. The texts are really big because of the style of this build, and there's an empty here, so you can add them in the center and so on and so forth. Again, the services area, I mentioned that earlier. You can add your name, address, phone number here in this left section. So see, that one is pretty wide, like site links, and then you still have your site links. You need to remove this one. You need to remove this one. You can attach your privacy policy somewhere here in the footer, so you don't need this, and then remove that. And I don't see more pictures in the about us service area. Oh my god, you have a lot of service area, which is really good. Okay, now the way you set up the service area supposed to be like you need to add your city first. So for example, here you need to add Arlington Heights. Okay, Arlington Heights, and then this service. So Arlington Heights local movers, Arlington Heights, let's check, Arlington Heights furniture hosting, Arlington Heights furniture moving service, and something like that. So if you service all of these services to this service area, then you need to do it. Oh my god, you have a lot of service area, which is really good, no? So yeah, this is what I'm trying to say it to you earlier. So you don't need to add all of this because you already have them here. It's good that you have a page for each service area, but you need to properly integrate, optimize them. Again, redesign this one, and then add more content, optimize the service area. Oh, the contact here is not good. So again, you need to add the location, Burlington, and then local movers or the service, not that. So that's a really big problem there. So yeah, if you're going to follow what I mentioned in the website, I'm sure you can see results. Now let's go forward to the GBP. So the GBP, Google Business Profile, let's check them. All right, so here you have a website, a service, a review. You only have 3 reviews here, so I want you to add more reviews, ask or tell your prospects and also request a review. And yeah, because it's really old as well, right? And then, so you are here, you have this profile, so you need to add post. So add Google Business Post, constantly add FAQs. It's also important that you need to add that, and then properly optimize all of this. Add more images from your listing. See, you only have 2, so add more images there, add more GBP posts, FAQs, and then all right. So, okay, this is our real photo, which is okay. Yeah. So, by the way, to everyone who's watching right now, if you are interested to solve or fix your website, generate more leads and phone calls, just go to kirkroldanseo.com. Click this one, free SEO strategy call, and let's schedule how I can help your business grow. Thank you so much. Talk to you again soon.